Welcome back to my channel. In this lesson video, we're going to talk about whether you're going to advance to the next level, which is the doctoral level, or not yet. So kung ang tanong mo, push pa ba sa doctoral level, pag-usapan na natin yan. So guys, ito yung follow-up video na nire-request ng iba about doctoral level. So meron kasi akong isang video na about taking masters. Ito naman ngayon, doctoral. Kung ang tanong mo ay push pa ba sa doctoral level, ang sagot natin syempre dyan ay yes. Yes na yes. Push pa tayo sa doctoral level. Kasi definitely, kung ang profession mo ay talagang yan na yung napili mo, I mean, hindi ka naman aalis dyan, why not advance further. Kasi after our bachelor's degree, syempre meron pang master's degree, at pinakang-pinakil niyan, syempre yung doctoral level. Doctoral level is not much different from master's level. Halos pareho lang naman yung i-exert nating effort. Kaya lang siguro sinasabi ng iba, ma'am, ang hirap po talaga. Actually, hindi naman talaga siya sobrang mahirap. Parang same din ang level ng hirap nung nag-masters tayo. Definitely, nandyan yung mga challenges. But the thing is, of course, nag-age kasi tayo, kaya parang nagiging mahirap siya. Why? Kung dati, mabilis tayong mag-memorize during college, dito sa doctoral level, syempre parang medyo nag-age tayo, nag-advance yung age natin, nagiging karagdagang challenge siya. But of course, if we're going to look at it, ano ba yung mga benefits ng may doctoral level ka? Syempre, one thing, wala kang pagsisisi. Kasi alam mo na narating mo yung highest degree na pwede mong marating. And like if you're going to stop in the master's level, you're going to think of, sometime in your life, you're going to say, ay, sana tinuloy ko, 2.5 years lang naman, 3 years lang naman, or 4 years lang naman, at marireach ko na yung gusto ko na degree, marireach ko yung gusto ko na rank. And of course, kaakibat nun yung additional na salary natin, additional increase salary natin. So, yun guys, come to think of it, we are advancing our learning, we are advancing our knowledge, we are of course advancing our qualifications. Lahat uma-advance, hindi lang yung age natin. So lahat uma-advance. Kaya huwag ka nang mag-hesitate na i-take yung doctoral studies mo. Huwag ka nang mag-hesitate na i-enroll yung first few subjects sa doctoral level mo. It begins there. Do not think of dissertation yet. Think of the subjects that you can initially take for your doctoral studies at mamamalayan mo, una mag-enroll ka ng, let's say, 6 units or 9 units, mamamalayan mo, yung 9 mo naging 18 na, naging 27 na, naging 36 na, naging 45 na, hanggang makarating ka doon sa nakatakdang units. And of course, darating ka na sa point na magko-comprehensive examination ka, susulat ka na ng iyong dissertation proposal, and that's it. Nandun ka na kaagad pala sa data gathering at patapos ka na. Siyempre kapag alam mong nasa dulo ka na, nasa dissertation writing ka na, hindi mo napipiliin na mag-stop. Kaya kumbaga, one step at a time. Parang umaakyat tayo ng hagdan, isa-isang step, na malaya natin, nandun na tayo sa gusto nating marating na level. Okay, so there you go guys. Do not hesitate. Siyempre, kung walang sacrifice, walang uumpisahan, walang matatapos. Okay, there you go. Go for your doctoral studies and go get that advanced degree. There we have it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more lesson uploads, practical tips, and anything educational. Have fun learning!